Mother, what have we come to do here again?
Open this door, let's talk.
No. Say whatever you have come to say here.
I insist we go in and talk. Walls have ears.
And I insist you say whatever you want to say here.
Since you have decided that you want us to wash our dirty linens outside, no problems. Well, I've come to inform you that Dr. Phillips has agreed to marry you on the condition that you will leave this thing you call marriage. He said he's not keen about the pregnancy. He wants to marry you, give you a better life, and take you away from this gutter. You know what that means? He will take you away from grief, from poverty, to America, to start over like a princess that you are.
You know what I think? I think your doctor, Philip, is sick.
Excuse me?
You heard me. He is very stupid. I mean, I expected better from someone like him. He wants me to leave my husband just to marry him. Someone that I have no feelings for. Somebody that I don't love. That I know nothing about. He thinks he can buy me over because he has money. Well, mother, go back and tell him that even with all the money in this world, I will not marry him.
Of course you will marry him. What has come over you? Do you know what you're rejecting? How can someone who has a gold mine be looking for gold dust? He wants to take you away and give you a better life. What is wrong with you? What is moving you? What is controlling you?
Again, mother, you have overstayed your welcome. Please leave.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.